I want to show y'all guys progressions and what a progression allows you to do. It allows you to actually play chords like you would on the keyboard, but just with the pads. And the chords are already like organized in such a way where certain keys are pressed to get certain chords in conjunction with each other. And those are typically described as progressions. Go in here, you go into pad perform, right? Now, Akai has progressions here that's already pre-installed. They give you a few of them, not many. When you get my MIDI progressions, you go in here and you'll get a hell of a lot more. They already come up with like Psycho Kid 7, Dr. Dre, Blasey Blah, Gospel, or whatever. I recorded something already. Now, what I like the thing I was telling you about, like what I like to do is like to go to transpose and try different keys. Let's go back into pad perform again. You can change the key. So right now it's on A. Change it to A flat, G, F sharp. All right, so let's go back to A and let's pick another progression. Let's pick one of mine. Like say, let's go to the Dr. Dre one. And we can change the key, like I said. The advantage of this is like, because it'll give you like the chords and progressions that you would typically get from a sample, but it's not a sample. And you can change the sounds. We could change this sound to like a piano. We could change the octave. So let's go and mess around with another octave. And you can play them any way you want, you know. You don't have to follow what I do. That's it. It's like, and you can change them to any key. You just take them and make tracks out of them. And the advantage of progressions over samples is you can change out the sample to your heart's desire. You can make a synth sound, an organ sound, string sound, whatever. You don't have the expertise to play, that doesn't matter. Progressions make you sound like you can play. All right, guys, so I hope that helped you. Go to psychokit.com, support your boy. Pick up some of my progression packs. I got like 7 of them, and they're all fire, from West Coast inspired to Neo Soul inspired, Justice League inspired. I got it all for you. All right, peace.